This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a Nissan Frontier steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting both the negative and positive battery cables. It is crucial to wait at least 3 to 10 minutes after disconnection. This allows any residual power to dissipate from the airbag system, preventing accidental deployment. Also, ensure your steering wheel is perfectly straight before you begin. Next, we'll focus on safely detaching the airbag module. Look for small access holes, typically 1 or 2, on the sides or bottom of your steering wheel. Using a blunt tool, like a flathead screwdriver, insert it into each hole and push firmly to release the internal retaining clips. Once released, carefully pull the airbag module forward. You will then see 2 electrical connectors, usually orange and yellow. Disconnect these by lifting their small tabs. With the airbag safely set aside, your next step is to address the main steering wheel nut. First, carefully guide the airbag wires through the designated opening in the steering wheel. Then, using a 19mm socket, loosen the large center nut that secures the wheel to the steering column. It is important to only loosen it a few turns, not remove it completely, to prevent the wheel from suddenly coming off. Also, mark the wheel and shaft for proper reinstallation alignment. Now for the final step of removing the steering wheel. With the nut loosened, firmly grasp the wheel with both hands at the 3 and 9 o'clock positions. Apply steady, firm pressure, wiggling it back and forth while pulling directly towards you. The wheel should eventually break free from the splines. Be very careful not to spin the clock spring assembly behind the wheel. Guide all wires through the opening as you remove the wheel completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.